umbrella. There's a good umbrella. And oh, what's wrong with that umbrella? We have a broken spoke. Looks like a broken rib on here. As you can see, the rib broke, and that should go right there. It's a cheap umbrella, $30 umbrella, but we have 3 of them, all the same color, and they're not selling them anymore, so we need to fix this temporarily till we can get a new umbrella to replace it. So what we're going to need is a piece of 6-inch piece of copper tubing, 6 inches long, with a hole drilled in the middle of it, 3/32 that fits over this piece of aluminum. The distance right there to the center, make a little mark on this one, and make a little mark on this one also. That's how far it needs to go in to make that repair. So what we're going to do, put that on there. Till it reaches the line. So we'll finish pounding that in. We'll get this piece here. Got our line here. So we'll push that until it reaches right into there. Nice and solid, even. We'll go ahead and ream it out a little bit. Then get our nut and bolt and make sure it's on the same side. I put a little bit of cement glue on here. There you go. You get the gist of it. Tighten that up there. Good solid fits. This here is a piece of copper, 5/8 copper. Smashed it down till it fit on here. Then drilled the hole center, 3/32, and then slid it on there. I'm going to put a couple of rivets in here, one on each side, to keep it from sliding out. Rivet there. Rivet there. That'll keep these pieces from sliding out. I'll pop the rivets in a minute. For now, let's go ahead and test it. Okay, now that it's fixed, got our part on there. Go ahead and put the cover on it.
Right, to tackle down low. I also give another smart, because after he gets...
Here's our repair.
Are used to running...
Good and solid. Good for the lifetime of this umbrella. So we'll go ahead and put this out in the backyard and get her set up.